Actress and dancer Noora Fatehi recently got quizzed by the Department of the Enforcement Directorate in the multi-crore extortion case involving conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Now the reports suggest that after recording Nora's statement at the ED office, investigating officers found that the actress may have received a luxury car from the main accused in the 200 crore rupees extortion case. Officials believe that the car which was gifted to Noora Fatehi by Chandrasekhar was worth over a crore. ED officials also suspect that the car was purchased using the money extorted by him from a businessman's wife. Notably, after getting summoned, Noora showed up at the ED office in Delhi on 14th of October. Post the questioning, on behalf of the actress, her spokesperson also issued a statement saying that Noora is the victim in the case and she is giving her full cooperation to the ED officials investigating the matter. The statement reads, and I quote, "On behalf of Noora Fatehi, we would like to clarify the various conjectures floating around amongst the media. Noora Fatehi has been the victim around the case and being a witness, she is cooperating and helping the officers in the investigation." Her spokesperson further clarified that Noora has no direct or personal connection with the extortion racket and was summoned only to help the officials in the investigation. The statement further said, "We would like to make it very clear that she has not been a part of any money laundering activity. She does not know or have any personal connection with the accused and has been called by the ED to strictly help with the investigation." Talking about the case, Sukesh Chandrasekhar ran an extortion racket from inside the jail and extorted 200 crore rupees from a businessman. ED has stated that celebs from the Bollywood industry are also active participants in the case.